You're probably not thinking carrot cake as your first pick when someone says cake, right? But trust me, after this video, it's going to be your ultimate go-to choice. As the name suggests, yes, it's got carrots in it, which means it's healthier, right? Right? Let's kick things off by mixing together our dry ingredients. 325 grams of flour, 2.6 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.3 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of gingerbread spice mix. If you can't find a ready-made mix, don't worry. I've listed the ingredients to make it yourself in the description below. Mix it all up and set it aside. Now, the carrots. We'll need 390 grams of peeled and coarsely grated carrots. Make sure you pick firm, not overgrown ones. They're the sweetest and juiciest. In a big bowl, crack in 6 large eggs. Add 325 grams of brown sugar. Cane sugar works perfectly too. Whisk it all together for about a minute until well combined. Then, very slowly, pour in 234 milliliters of oil, whisking all the time. The oil needs to fully blend with the eggs and sugar. No separation allowed. Finally, fold in 156 grams of applesauce. No applesauce on hand? No problem. Any fruit jam will do the trick. Now add in the grated carrots and then gently fold in the dry ingredients you set aside earlier. Mix until everything comes together into a smooth batter. No lumps allowed. Line your baking pan with baking paper. My pan is 23 by 33 centimeters, but if you're using a round one, about 22 centimeters in diameter, remember to reduce all ingredient amounts by 1/3. Back to the batter. Pour half of it into the pan and spread it out evenly. Bake for 35 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Once that's done, repeat with the second half of the batter. Time for the cream. In a bowl, beat 250 grams of mascarpone until it's smooth and creamy. Without stopping the mixer, gradually add 220 grams of powdered sugar. Finally, pour in 60 milliliters of heavy cream. You can also throw in a splash of vanilla extract if you're feeling fancy. Chill the cream in the fridge until the cake layers have cooled to room temperature. Now, pick the less pretty cake layer and spread a smaller portion of the cream over it, smoothing it out gently with a spatula. Place the second cake layer on top, then spread the rest of the cream all over. Sprinkle with chopped walnuts. And voila, your carrot cake is ready. Grab a sharp knife and cut yourself a generous slice, because you deserve it. Look at that. Isn't it just glorious? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing recipes.